So I'll put those jaw protectors away with the rest of the 4-jaw tooling. Right, so we've got a nice inch hole there. It now needs to be drilled and tapped through there for a clamp bolt. I'm going to take a little bit more off just to remove that hacksaw cut, because that size and that height's not critical. That's the important one there. Then you need to find the middle of it. So once again, 0, half that, do it again, press the wrong button, 0, half that, then back to the centre. Right, we're going to lock it off at that. Right, that's bang on in the middle. I'm going to put the 4mm bolt in there, so we need to drill the 4mm tapping drill. Not all the way through, but nearly all the way through. Right, I've decided to use M5. This is the tapping drill for M5. Now I want a clearance hole halfway through. Right, I'm going to put a tap in down to the bottom of the hole and then countersink that for the head of the bolt. Be really careful because this tap will want to snap. Now I've got it gripping the chuck, but just grip tight enough so that it will slip once it gets down to the bottom of the hole. Whoops, which is about there. Right. Of course these chucks do not like reversing. I did buy a Jacob's chuck for this particular reason. Right, what I'm going to do now is machine a little bit off the head of the bolt, and I'll find a milling cutter that's just slightly bigger than that and just put a little recess in there for that to go into. This is one of the only times you'll see me putting a milling cutter into a drill chuck. Right, the head's 5mm thick. Right, just a little bit off the head and that'll drop in through there very nicely indeed. Right, so that head fits in there quite nicely. The next stage is to split this. You could put it in a vise and put a hacksaw through, but I think I'll sort of measure it and use a slitting saw and do it half properly. It's got to be done like that, and it's spinning like that, so it's got to be done that way all the way through into there. I haven't used a slitting saw for quite some time, so I'll have to have a look and see what we've got. I need to find the centre of the job, so what I'm going to do is touch off the cutting blade on the job just by hand, be able to feel it touching and hear it, because I've got my hearing aids in. Right, it's just touching there, so I'll zero the x-axis and then touch the bottom. If it will, it might not. It'd be nice to John. Bastard. It's just a fanny's hair off going in, so I'll have to drop the cutter down a little bit. That's better. Probably get it now. There isn't a greater in the chuck, but I think it'll do the job for us. Come on, John. Wait, what a bastard thing. We could measure the width of the blade, I suppose. We'll do it that way. We'll put it back in. And spanners in the back of that fucking nut. You get some jobs that just fight, you know, and these bastards fighting. Right, so once again, we'll touch it off on the top. Cigarette papers are good for this, but I don't smoke anymore. Right, just gripping there. Right, slitting saw blades need to be run really slow, they like to shatter. It's basically just a hacksaw, a flat hacksaw. We'll put a little bit of cutting lube onto it. It's just soft aluminium, so it's going to go through there with very little issues at all. Is it going to break through before it hits the centre, boss? Yes, that's the first thing that's gone right on the whole job. Right, so the Allen bolt goes into there. Tightens up onto his barrel of his rear tailstock. Like that, and that's got it gripped quite nicely. A little bit of work with a finance memory tape will really clean that up nicely, but you can do that. It certainly looks like it's in the middle, and you normally find if it looks like it's in the middle, it's in the middle. The new Saturday night videos seem to be going down quite well, like the sort of instruction videos for lathe work. I did another one last night, I hope you watched it and I hope you found that interesting and managed to pick up a little bit from it. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hi, my name is John, welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. In tonight's nightcap, I do hope some... John man.